Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will show how to make rectangles in LusoCAD with the rectangle command. To activate the command, you can select it from the ribbon or type REC in the command line. When you activate the command and click on the model view, the first corner of the rectangle will be set, and you can select the opposite corner with your mouse. Another way to draw it is to create one corner and then write a distance value. If you want to input both values of height and length, type a value, use the comma key and then write the other value. Let's try another way. The area subcommand allows us to create a rectangle by writing the total area. After writing the area, we must input a length or height value. By typing D, you can activate the dimensions and we can use width and length. Another subcommand we can use is the rotate command. Type R to activate it. You can choose a rotation angle and the second corner point. We can also create a chamfer rectangle by typing C. You will have to set two chamfer distances. The fillet subcommand allows us to create rounded corners. Just set a fillet radius. Now we can explore the 3D subcommands. The elevation subcommand will let us change the elevation in the 3D plane. Let's draw two rectangles at different elevations and see the difference. By typing T, we can set a thickness or how tall the rectangle is. We can also change the 3D width of the rectangle by typing W. Finally, oblique will let us draw an oblique or slanted rectangle. That was all for the rectangle command in LusoCAD. Remember to keep watching for more commands and tools.